The Active 8 Pro is a rugged tablet from Blackview. It's also one of the best rugged tablets out there. It packs decent features and specs that I'll be talking about in this video. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's explore the top features of this rugged tablet. So this is a very heavy tablet. It weighs 976 grams, guys, and there are many reasons why this tablet is heavy. But the most important reason that I'll point out is its battery, which is a 22,000 mAh battery, guys. This tablet is the tablet with the biggest battery ever. There is no tablet that has a battery that is as big as this battery, guys. So with such a huge battery, this tablet is expected to last more than, 5 days a week on a single charge. And of course, it ships with a 33 watt fast charger, which isn't the best for such a huge battery, but it's definitely going to charge the battery quite okay. The device also has a thickness of 16.8 millimeters. This rugged phone is powered by the Helio G99, which is great. The G99, as we know, is MediaTek's best 4G processor. It's faster than pretty much all the Snapdragon 600 series except for the Snapdragon 695 5G. It's one of the best 4G processors out there, guys. It's very efficient, very fast. The device also utilizes 8 GB of RAM and it packs a 256 GB internal storage. It supports RAM expansion, and of course the internal storage can be expanded up to 1 TB via SD. The phone runs on the latest Android 13 with Blackview's custom skin on top, which is great, and the device sports a single 48MP rear camera and a 16MP front facing camera. The phone also has a 10.36-inch Full HD Plus display. The display is protected with the Gorilla Glass 5, and just like other rugged phones, the device is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military standard A10H certified. So other features of this device includes PC mode, OTG, and so on. Now, just so you know, I cannot confirm if this phone is powered by the Helio G99 or the Helio P90, because according to some sources, the Blackview Active 8 Pro is powered by the Helio P90, while some other sources claims it is powered by the Helio G99. But once Blackview officially announces and officially releases this device, we'll get to know the processor that powers the phone. So this is the Blackview Active 8 Pro. If you'd like to share anything about this rugged phone, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.